morning as I stand here today, I think of the first time we met. That was a magical moment that neither of us expected. And now we are here today as two spirits become one. I promise to love you, respect you, and give you the life that you deserve. When you laugh, I will laugh. When you're in pain, I will hurt too. When you cry, I promise to dry away your tears. We will walk together hand in hand through life, and I promise to never leave you. You will know that I am there because you will see my footprints beside you in the sand. And when you look down and see only one set of footprints, it doesn't mean that I left you, but it will be those times when I carry you through tests, through trials and tribulations. Okay. So today I take you as my wife, my friend and my love, not only this day, but tomorrow and forever. A round of applause for this.